Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I have been doing over the last couple of months to whiten my teeth at home. I have been using a kit, and it is made by a company called Smile Brilliant. They are sponsoring today's video. However, it was agreed that I would only post a video on their product if I truly believed in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by telling you what I really love about this product, and then I'm going to show you what you get in the kit, and then also how to use the product once you get it. So first of all, I love this product because it's very convenient. This is something that you can do in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to go out to a dentist office, and you can do it, while you're going about your daily routine of things that you normally do. The second thing I like about this product is that you get an upper and lower mold of your teeth that is customized to fit you and you only. So that when you put this product or this gel into these trays and you snap them onto your teeth, you have the security of knowing that one, your gel is going to stay in place, and two, you're going to get all the areas of your teeth covered so that you don't have, a spotty appearance. The third thing that I really like about this product is that it is super affordable. It's just a fraction of the cost of what you would spend in a dentist office. I think it's averaging around 70% cheaper than what you would normally spend for professional teeth whitening. And last, I love this product because it actually works. Like I had said, I've been using it for the last couple months, and on average, I probably use it about 3 times a week. And ever since I have been using it, from really the very first time, I could tell a difference. And each time I use it, it just gets better and better. And it's also nice because I don't really do a whole lot for me. So this is something that I can do for myself that, it's kind of like a self-care thing. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel confident. It's definitely something that I'm going to continue to do to keep up with, so that I can, continue to keep this white smile and keep the stains and stuff like that from accumulating on my teeth. So now I just want to let you know what you're going to get when your kit arrives. You are going to be getting a box, and inside of your box you are going to get 3 containers of a catalyst, 3 containers of a base paste. You're going to get an upper tray, a lower tray, and then you're also going to get your whitening gel and your desensitizing gel, along with a card, a return envelope, and then a set of instructions. Also, when you get this, like I said, you get the upper and bottom tray, but one of the nice things that they did for you is they did give you an extra set of the catalyst and base paste, just in case you mess up. And just to let you know, I did mess up, and so I did use mine, and it's very convenient that they put that in there for you. So once you get, your kit, you're going to take your catalyst, and then you're going to take your base paste. And I did use a popsicle stick to get this out because it is a little bit tricky to do. But once you get that out, you basically are just going to fold it over, put them together and fold it over continuously until you no longer see the white catalyst. And then once you get that done, at this point, it's going to start the setting mode. So you're going to want to work a little bit quickly. You're just going to place it into your tray, and then you're going to take it and you're going to press it over your teeth, and you're going to make sure that you get all of your paste around your gum line, because you want to make sure that all of your teeth are covered. You're going to hold it there for about 3 minutes, and then you're going to pop that out, and then you can repeat the same process to do the lower tray. After you get that done and it sets, you just put it in the envelope that was sent to you. You fill out the card, sign it, return it back with it, and then in a couple of weeks you will receive your molds of your teeth in the mail. So just to let you know what you get when your molds come back, you get your upper and lower set, and you can see that they are in the shape of your teeth. But once you get them, you are ready to go ahead and start using your teeth whitening system. You're just going to squirt a thin layer in your trays along the outer part that's going to be touching the outside of your teeth. And you don't want to put too much, because this is going to fit pretty close to your teeth, and you don't want it oozing up over the top onto your gums. You get about 3 uses out of each syringe, so that kind of will give you an idea of how much you do need to put into your trays. But then what I like to do is, once I get my gel in my tray, I like to line it up directly underneath my teeth. And then at that point, once I get it really close, I just quickly push it up, and that way I know that all the gel has covered my teeth and it's secured in there. It almost kind of like suctions onto my teeth. The recommended time frame is to wear it 45 minutes up to 3 hours, and they do tell you in the instructions that you might want to start off at 45 minutes and just build your way up. And then once you do that, you are going to brush your teeth and get all of the whitening gel out of your mouth, and then you are going to apply your desensitizing gel. You will put it in your trays the exact same way that you did the whitening gel. You will snap those onto your teeth, and you will leave that on for 20 minutes. The only difference is that once you're done with this, you're going to take your trays out, rinse them out, and store them away to dry. And they want you to actually not rinse your teeth, and you do leave that whatever is remaining of this desensitizing gel on your teeth. And they also recommend that you try not to eat or drink anything for a little while after that. That's basically all there is to it. You know, it's very simple and easy to use. And as it's stated in the title of my video, this is going to be a giveaway as well. And so Smile Brilliant has agreed to give one of my subscribers a free kit worth $149. I am going to leave a link down in the description box below. You just click on that and then you just follow the instructions to enter. And for those of you who want to try out this product or for yourself, or if you have someone special that you would like to gift this to, because this is a great time of year to do that. Also, this is a unique gift. It's not something that most people would think to ask for. I am going to leave a coupon code down in the description box below as well, so that you can get 15% off of your entire order. That is about all I have for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Good luck to everyone who enters into this giveaway, and I will see you next time. Bye.